What evidence is needed to fight denial? Have you ever faced a denial from your car insurance company and wondered what you can do about it? If so, you are not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to challenge that denial. The first step is to gather the right evidence. Let's break down what you need to fight a denial effectively. First, you should obtain the denial letter from the insurance company. This letter explains why your claim was denied and gives you insight into the insurer's reasoning. It often mentions specific policy provisions or documentation that they found lacking. Understanding this is key to targeting your evidence correctly. Next, review your auto insurance policy carefully. Make sure you know what coverage applies to your situation, whether it is liability, collision, or comprehensive coverage. Check for any exclusions or conditions the insurer cited. This will help you determine if the denial aligns with your policy terms. Another important piece of evidence is the police report. An official accident report prepared by law enforcement provides an objective account of the incident. This report includes details about fault determination and involved parties, making it a strong piece of evidence to support your claim. Photographs and videos are also essential. Clear images or footage of the accident scene, vehicle damage, and any visible injuries can help demonstrate the circumstances of the incident. These visuals can be very persuasive. If injuries occurred, gather your medical records and bills. Detailed medical documentation and billing statements will prove the extent of your injuries and related expenses. This is crucial for supporting claims for medical coverage or compensation. Don't forget about repair estimates or invoices. Quotes or bills from auto repair shops showing the cost to fix your vehicle establish the financial impact of the accident. This information is vital for your case. Witness statements can also play a significant role. Written statements from people who saw the accident can corroborate your version of events. Make sure to include their contact information as well. Keep a record of all communication with the insurance company. This includes letters, emails, and notes from phone calls. Documenting these interactions can reveal inconsistencies or errors in how your claim was handled. Finally, create a timeline of events. Organizing all evidence and communications chronologically helps present a clear picture of the accident and claim process. This makes your case more persuasive. Once you have gathered all this evidence, draft a detailed appeal letter. Address each reason for the denial with supporting proof and request reconsideration. If necessary, you can pursue arbitration or mediation. Consulting a car accident attorney can also help you interpret policy language and negotiate on your behalf. To summarize, to fight a denial effectively, collect and present all relevant documentation that proves your claim meets the policy coverage. This evidence-based approach strengthens your position and increases the likelihood of overturning the denial.